Scottsdale ground, Cessna 6254 Delta. We're at the Kilo ramps with information Juliet, taxi to the active.
Cessna 6254 Delta, Scottsdale ground, runway 21, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 21, taxi via Alpha, Cessna 6254 Delta.
Do we need taxi line?
Yeah.
We'll use rudder and brake as well. And that's right out there, so you can just make a right here. That's this line I was telling you about. Can't cross it without a clearance. Alright, your right side's clear. You can go ahead and turn left. Can taxi? Yeah.
Scottsdale Tower 979 Tri Fox is 10 to the north, inbound visual 21.
Hawker 979 Charlie Fox, Scottsdale Tower, enter right base, runway 21, traffic's holding in position.
Right base 21979 Tri Fox.
Aero 52 Juliet, frequency change approved, good day.
Change approved, good day, 52 Juliet.
Bonanza 87 Tango, the Cessna head is in right closed traffic, outside the Cessna, right turn approved, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
487 Tango, roger, rolling.
Cessna 54 Delta, runway 21, line up and wait, traffic on an 8-mile final, Hawker.
Runway 21, line up and wait, 54 Delta.
Well, that means we can't take off yet, but we can go up and hold short until she tells us to take off.
Cessna 54 Delta, the Bonanza heads northbound, outside the Bonanza, right turn approved, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff outside traffic, 54 Delta.
Hawker 9 Charlie Foxtrot, runway 21, clear to land.
So whenever you're ready,
Clear to
we're
land,
good to go.
9 Tri Fox.
Scottsdale Tower, 5251 Golf holding short, runway 21, ready for departure, southeastbound.
Cessna 24 Lima, extend downwind, follow Hawker on a 5-mile final.
Extend downwind and looking for traffic, 24 Lima.
Who's ready to go?
5251 Golf, southeast.
Cessna 5251 Golf, Scottsdale Tower, no delay, runway 21, clear for takeoff, traffic 4-mile final, Hawker.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff, 5251 Golf.
Hawker 9 Charlie Foxtrot, additional traffic departing ahead of you, Cessna.
Roger, 9 Tri Fox.
So you can make a slow right turn outside that traffic. We'll have to go around him.
Transponder squawk via
Again? What's up? Oh, that's fine for the feet. You can wait another second.
About that 24 Lima, that should be good now.
Yeah, here's fine, just a nice slow turn. Just climbing out at 74, good. And you can climb up to about 4,500. Alright, 4,500.
Land 87 Tango, remain west of Pinnacle Peak, please, for inbound jets.
West of Pinnacle Peak, 47 Tango.
24 Lima has traffic in sight.
Cessna 24 Lima, follow the Hawker, caution wake turbulence, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21 clear to land behind the Hawker, 24 Lima.
And there's Pinnacle Peak out there. Pinnacle Peak off to the right, not that one.
1 Golf, say again, direct.
Off here.
Oh, southeast towards Falcon, 5251 Golf.
Cessna 51 Golf, leaving 2005.
So continue the turnout. You can kind of head for the smaller one on the left.
5251 Golf.
Cessna 54 Delta, remain west of Pinnacle Peak, please, for inbound jets.
Wilco, 54 Delta.
Okay, so she said she wants us to remain west, so to the left of Pinnacle Peak for inbound jet traffic.
Northeast practice area, Cessna 6254 Delta. We're on the north side of Dynamite Road over the street patterns, 4,500. We're going to be doing steep turns between here and Bartlett.
put the carb heat on, good. Increase in RPM, good. And whenever you're ready, you can go set me up for a power off stall. Go full flaps? Correct. So we'll reduce the power of full flaps. We'll kind of descend at 70 knots. And then once you establish a 70 knot descent with full flaps, then you can pull it back and start the airplane. Alright. Full power off. So just leave a little bit of power in, like maybe 1500 RPM as you're getting the flaps in, and then get the flaps 10, control the balloon, try to maintain altitude, flaps 20, alright, now flaps 30, so there's 70, so kind of maintain like a 65, 70 knot descent, and once you're kind of stable in that descent, now you can go power off, pitch up to 10 degrees, pitch up and start the airplane. And make sure you stay really coordinated during this.
Okay, traffic over Bartlett. Looks like we're to the west of you. We're going to change frequency over to Carefree. Have a good day.
You have a good one as well.
Northeast traffic, Cap 242, just north Bartlett Dam, 4000 northbound Verde River.
Okay, we'll keep it short and sweet. We're down about 0.7 right now. So that's good with me. I'm sufficient that your maneuvers are good to go and your emergency procedures are fine. So we'll go back, we'll do a couple landings, and we'll get you all checked out.
Scottsdale Tower, Cessna 6254 Delta, Pinnacle Peak with Kilo for touch and goes.
Cessna 6254 Delta, Scottsdale Tower. Can you make straight in?
Affirm, 6254 Delta.
Cessna 54 Delta, make straight in, runway 21.
Straight in, 2154 Delta.
Nice. Get to do some fun flying here. Whenever they give us straight in, that means we get to go through the mountains here and have a little fun.
Cessna 053, traffic off the departure into Cirrus is turning northbound.
Okay, so full elevation's 1500. We'll go ahead and knock out our checklists, make sure we're always doing those.
Cessna 053 Tower.
Go ahead, Cessna 053.
Okay.
Cessna 053
Okay, so descent,
off the departure
interaction.
returning northbound Cirrus.
Okay, reaction power is desired. Carb heat will leave off. We do have the ATIS. We'll leave it off. Okay.
Cessna Tango traffic, 2 miles west of the airport.
On approach briefing, we're doing
Deer Valley, 3
a straight in approach. So we're going to come in through this little ravine right here for a straight in.
Just make a close pattern and land.
Descending all. Go down to 3500.
Distance?
Negative, just a test flight, and I got a lot of noise from wind in here. I'm just going to take it back to the shop. See the Tango.
Cirrus 8 Lima Tango, roger, right, close traffic.
Big close traffic, 8 Tango.
Cessna 053, Cirrus traffic, no factor, frequency change approved, good day.
Traffic, no factor, frequency change approved, 14053, thank you.
Florida 0 Tango Mike, stay parking.
Southwest Jet, 580 Tango Mike.
Okay, so I'll double off here.
Florida 0 Tango Mike, turn left.
See the airport in front of us?
To Southwest Jet, Bravo.
Do you see the airport in front of us? Okay.
Bravo, monitor ground, good day to you, thanks for the help, 580.
Yeah, we'll just make sure we're clear of these mountains on the left here. We'll kind of shoot right through the valley. But you don't see this in Denmark?
Can you make a short approach traffic on the 6-mile finals of Cessna?
Affirmative, short approach, 8 Tango.
Cirrus 8 Lima Tango, make short approach, runway 21 cleared to land, traffic on about a 5.5-mile finals of Cessna. He'll be out, he'll follow you.
Short approach, runway 21 cleared to land, Cirrus 8 Lima Tango.
Cessna 54 Delta, follow Cirrus on right downwind. He'll make a short approach to number 2, runway 21, cleared touch and go, then right close traffic.
21 clear touch and go, number 2 behind the Cirrus on downwind, 54 Delta.
Scottsdale Tower, flight of 7110 Sierra Romeo, about a mile southeast of Deer Valley, 4,500 kilo for full stop.
Cessna 54 Delta, that's not going to work. Make a left turn and proceed southeastbound for left traffic, runway 21.
Okay, we're turning southeastbound for left traffic 21 for 54 Delta.
Florida 1 Sierra Romeo, traffic was on about a 3-mile final. He's going to peel off to the east side for you. You're number 1, make short approach if you can, runway 21 clear to land.
Alright, short approach,
Okay.
21 clear.
We're going to head this way for, yes, correct. And make left traffic runway 21. Yep. So you can take it down to 2,500 and level off, looking for about 90 knots there.
Okay.
And then just here in a second, you'll enter the downwind by the tower.
So turn right, cross the runway for right downwind, runway 21. Thanks for the help.
Alright, crossing over runways right downwind 21, 54 Delta.
90 and then 85 and 80. 90, 80, 70. 87. When you're on downwind, put flaps 10, and then start slowing to 80, and then descend to 80, and then when you're on base, put flaps full, start slowing down. When you're on final, you should be about 75. Short final, you should be about 65, 70. The following citation, which I do not have in I see it.
Plus 10 Romeo, say parking.
With all assisted.
Plus 10 Romeo, turn right at Alpha 10 if you can, or that little reverse Alpha 9, or taxi to gate 5 via Alpha and monitor ground. Thanks again for the help.
No problem, we get Alpha 9 via Alpha, gate 5, monitor ground, 10 Romeo.
Cessna 54 Delta, follow a citation about 1.5 miles final, number 2, runway 21, clear touch and go.
Traffic in sight, runway 21, clear touch and go 54 Delta.
That sounds good, Mara. So, about 1800.
And Scottsdale Tower, Diamondback 47 is with you on a visual.
Oh yeah, on turn base.
Diamondback 47 Scottsdale Tower, make straight in, runway 21.
Straight in for 21, Diamondback 47.
It's easier in the Bible. Huh? It's easier in the Bible to see the runway.
Citation 8 Charlie Whiskey, say parking.
Going to Ross.
Citation 8 Charlie Whiskey, continue down the runway, turn right at Alpha 5, taxi straight across to Ross and monitor ground. Good day.
Alpha 5 to Ross, thanks.
Airspeed's good. Good.
Tower 23 over Trumper Head with Kilo 40 Jackson departure.
TV3 Scottsdale Tower, departure from Chopper Guide, BH on risk, Jackson off, departure approved.
TV3 departure on risk.
Cessna 54 Delta, we're crossing traffic midfield.
Roger, 54 Delta.
Diamondback 47, traffic short finals of Cessna, he's a touch and go, number 2, runway 21, clear to land.
IK number 2 and clear lane on 21, Diamondback 47.
Trying to pull flips. Huh? Roger. And a nice solar flare. There she is. set. Make sure I'm gonna open my window. My controls.
Cessna 54 Delta, stay parking.
Kilo Net, please, 54 Delta.
Cessna 54 Delta, turn right Alpha 7, taxi to Kilo via Alpha, monitor ground. Have a good day, thanks for the help.
Alpha 7, Alpha, monitor ground. You have a good one too, 54 Delta.
Cessna Thomas Kid 462 VOR, Charlie with you.
Cessna 9 Whiskey November, right turn approved, runway 21 clear for takeoff.
Good, good. Clear left, clear right. Alright, we'll try landing light on, try to taxi light off. Alright, leaner for taxi, flaps are up, power set. Alright, overall, you know what you're doing. I'll sign you off, your BFR's good. Your landings are pretty good, your airspeed's fine. Your altitude, your aiming point is a little low every time. That's why you're getting fast. Is because you're pitched down a little too much, and your power setting's also way high. Your power setting's like up at 20 inches. It doesn't need to be too far off 15. I typically keep it between 15 and 16, 15 and 18 or so. So your power setting's just a little much, and your pitch is just a little down. So just pitch full, aim point, just fly it all the way down. You don't need to worry about pitching down or doing any of that. And then just a nice gradual round out. Overall, you did fine. Your maneuvers are really good, so that was really good.